and chaos reigned supreme. But in the end, it was a well-timed Claymore from Drew McIntyre right on the side of Ambrose Giant.
Once you start smoking, the consequences will find you.
Package for James Meisner.
Cigarettes may leave you with stained teeth, gum disease, and more.
When you carry out large 3-topping pizzas from Domino's for $7.99 each, you don't want bad roads ruining a good pizza. So we're doing something about it. If your drive home is rough on pizza, submit it at hatingforpizza.com and we might fix it.
I forgot to ask. Did it hurt?
What hurt?
When you fell from heaven and landed on earth?
I didn't feel from it. Because I'm an angel. Why are you so sweet?
Maybe just because I'm so damn happy.
Today's Jay's birthday, so I'm taking him to Hawaii for a whole week.
Big, sweet, and Maui, just the two of us. Got Manny tied up in the backyard, big bowl of kibble. I'm kidding. He's staying with Claire and Phil.
This whole thing was a big surprise. I did it all myself. The flight, the hotels, cost me a fortune.